Hey there, it's your favorite 31 gal, and I'm going to show you how to set your lock on your brand new suitcase. All suitcases come set with 000. Make sure all three spins are right on the zeros. To set it to whatever number you'd like, you're going to use a pen. I'm using this one right here. And you're going to pop it right next to the spin dials. Hear that pop? Now you're going to select the numbers that you want for your combination. So let's say I want to select 919. Make sure you remember it. And then we're going to slide this little guy right here closer to it and see how it pops. You have now set your locks. So let me show you how that works. So I'm going to go ahead and lock my suitcase, spin the little dials, and it's locked. TSA approved. Now I'm going to set it back to my numbers here. There we go, 919, and there you have it. If you want to reset it to something different, you'll just repeat these steps and set your new combination. Follow me for more travel tips.